In 1978, in a quiet laboratory, physicist David Kemp placed a highly sensitive microphone inside a human ear canal. He wasn't trying to listen to the ear, he was trying to send a click sound in. But his equipment detected something impossible, a faint, delayed echo coming back out. It wasn't a simple reflection. This was a new sound, a biological signal generated by the ear itself. This discovery fundamentally changed our understanding of hearing. The ear, long thought to be a passive receiver like a simple microphone, was revealed to be an active broadcaster, creating its own acoustic energy. The source of this sound lies deep within the snail-shaped structure of your inner ear, the cochlea. Inside, there are thousands of microscopic hair cells. For decades, we focused on the inner hair cells, which convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals for the brain. But the real engines are the outer hair cells. There are 3 times as many of them, and they do something extraordinary. They physically change their shape, contracting and elongating with incredible speed, powered by a unique motor protein called Preston. They are not sensors, they are biological actuators, tiny living pistons. This cellular dance is the secret to your hearing's sensitivity and precision. When a sound wave enters your cochlea, it causes a fluid wave that vibrates a structure called the basilar membrane. This initial vibration is broad and weak. As the wave passes the outer hair cells, they are stimulated and begin to rapidly contract and expand in perfect time with the sound's frequency. This coordinated movement actively pushes back against the basilar membrane, amplifying its vibration at a very specific spot. This sharpened, amplified peak is what the inner hair cells detect with exquisite clarity. But this physical pushing creates a reverse traveling wave, a tiny portion of which escapes back through the middle ear and out the ear canal as an otoacoustic emission, the very echo Kemp detected. So if your ears are constantly creating sounds, why is your head not filled with a constant hum? Firstly, these emissions are unbelievably quiet, often measuring at negative decibels, quieter than the threshold of human hearing. Secondly, your middle ear is an impedance matching device built for one-way traffic. The tiny bones, the malleus, incus, and stapes, are brilliantly designed to transfer energy from the air of the middle ear to the fluid of the inner ear. Running this system in reverse is incredibly inefficient, so most of the sound energy is trapped inside. Finally, your brain is a master filter. It excels at ignoring consistent, meaningless internal biological noise, a process known as auditory adaptation. It's the same reason you don't constantly hear your own breathing or heartbeat. This seemingly obscure biological phenomenon has a profound practical application. How do you test the hearing of a newborn baby who can't tell you what they hear? You listen to their ears. A small probe placed in the ear canal can play a soft click and listen for the otoacoustic emission in response. The presence of this echo is a direct, objective confirmation that the intricate mechanical amplifier, the outer hair cells, is working correctly. Its absence can be the first sign of hearing loss, allowing for intervention at a critical stage of development. It's a non-invasive test that turns a biological curiosity into a life-changing diagnostic tool. The existence of otoacoustic emissions forces us to reconsider what it means to sense the world. Your ear is not a passive instrument simply recording external events. It is an active participant in the act of hearing. It invests its own energy to sharpen, filter, and amplify the signals it cares about before they are ever sent to the brain. This principle of active sensing isn't unique to the ear.
Your eyes constantly make tiny, unconscious movements called saccades to build a stable image of the world. Your fingertips adjust their pressure to better feel a texture. Your sensory organs are not windows. They are explorers, actively probing and shaping the reality they perceive. Hearing isn't something that happens to you, it's something your body does.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.